Welcome to Chuck's Bricks, or welcome back. You've been here before and you saw the last month I was building my downtown area. So I'm taking a sidewalk from my downtown area. I'm now crossing the street and coming to the beach side. So it's the same style sidewalk. And at beach side here, I got to work on the beach yet. That's a future video. But I do now have some docks here. So I got some boats on the docks. I got some people camping on the beach. I got a classic car show here. Classic car show goes well with my classic diner. And then I do have other diners here. Got a couple little diners there and a newsstand along the road. And I also have food trucks in the park. I have the hamburger and the French fry buildings there. So I'm keeping the here. I have the same walk as across the street. So on both sides of the street, the walks are going to be the same, the trees and all of that in the middle. I have two empty plates here. So on those plates, I'm going to build some single-story buildings. So there'll be four of them there. They'll be about half plate wide, each of them. So then I got my museum district here with a museum, the botanical garden, and the sea life. And behind that, I got another set of docks. This set of docks is going to be the city. So I got the police, the fire, and the Coast Guard on that dock. And then I do have my back up here so you can get a good view of it. My lighthouse there. So I got to work on the beach area. I just got some people sitting around that might look good on the beach. And then I got to get stuff going there and along the road here. I kind of put my sidewalks in for now. I got to get some light posts. On this side of the street, I put the white light posts along the whole side of the street. So I need to get some white light posts to do this side the same. So on the road, I'm going to have the white light post. Then when I get down on the sidewalks here, I'll use a black light post in those areas. So this is an update, and I'll have to give you another update. Hopefully next week I get actually working on the beach some more, but this is the continuation of the rebuild of my city. So please like and subscribe. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Thank you very much from Chuck's Bricks. And thank you to all my subscribers. I now have 333 subscribers. I know it's been a slow process, but thank you very much.